W is for watermelon. Watermelon big and round. Sweetest fruit that I've found. Slice it, shall everyone say? Watermelon makes my day. Fruit is fun. Fruit is fun. An apple a day. Go bananas, yay! Splash, splash, yay! W is for watermelon. It is sweet and so yummy. Let's dance and take a big splash. Shigwa, shigwa. Shigwa, shigwa, big and round. Sweet and juicy, the best around. Slice it, share it, 1, 2, 3. Shigwa is so good for me. Slice it, share it, good. Shigwa, clap and sing today. Cool and yummy, full of fun. Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Yum, 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 clap your hands. Shigwa, shigwa, let's all laugh and play. Shigwa means watermelon, don't you know? Y is for yumbury. Yumbury, yumbury, little and red. Sweet and juicy, let's get fed. Y is for yumbury. Yumbury, yumbury, little and red. Sweet and juicy, let's get fed. Pick one, taste one. 1, 2, 3. Yumbury is good for me. Yumbury, yumbury, dance and sing today. Healthy, tasty, full of cheer. Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Z, 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 come sing with me. Z is for zucchini, green as can be. Z says Z, 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 Z. Zucchini grows so happily. Zucchini, zucchini, green and bright. Growing in the garden, what a lovely sight. Long and smooth, so fresh and green. The cutest veggie fruit we've ever seen. Z says Z. Zucchini rolls, zucchini spins. Everybody smiles and everybody grins. Jump up high and touch your toes. Watch our zucchini dance and pose. Zucchini says, that's easy. Z, 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 shout hooray! Z, 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 hip hooray! Z is for zucchini.
Thanks for watching! This is Early Learning Kids TV Updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye!